So now in those scenarios, you're thinking to yourself, what's most probable for my company? For some of you, it's water damage. For some of you, it's fire. For others, everything is off-site, so it might just be a cybersecurity attack. What does it look like for your specific business if you're down for a day? Just a day. How about 2 days? How about a week now? Or even a month? Because those are realities that can happen. The Ponemon Institute's 2019 Global State of Cybersecurity in Small and Medium Businesses study found that more than a third of small and medium-sized businesses don't have any incident response plan in place for responding to breaches or cybersecurity attacks. So you have a third of businesses that have no reactive plan to what's going to happen and no proactive plan. This is in spite of the fact that that same study, 60% of those businesses had experienced loss or theft in the past 12 months. In the past year, they've been touched and they still don't have a plan. So today, the question is, can your business simply absorb a hit of being down for a day, or a week, or a month? And I imagine it would shake up a number of things and probably make a couple of key stakeholders ask the question, how do we ensure this doesn't happen again?